Hello students, welcome back in your SST class. I hope you all are doing well. Students, quickly take out your SST books and take out chapter number 12, Minerals in India, which is on page number 23. Students, in the last class we have covered the topics like introduction of minerals, metallic minerals and its types. And here are some questions regarding the last topic. So our first question is, what do you mean by minerals? Second, name the two types of mineral ores. Third, give the examples of metallic minerals. Fourth, name the first metal found by man. Fifth, name the metal which is extracted from bauxite. Students, our today's objective is to cover non-metallic minerals and mineral oil or petroleum. And here are some terms related to today's topic. So our first term is oil field, an area with many oil wells. Second, oil refinery, a place where oil is refined. Third, oil well, a well from where natural oil is drilled. Fourth, offshore drilling, drilling of oil from the seabed. For example, Bombay High. Fifth, Bombay High, a place in the Arabian Sea where oil is drilled. Sixth, fossil fuel, fuel formed by dead plants and animals millions of years ago. Seventh, CNG, compressed natural gas. Eighth, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Students, non-metallic minerals are a special group of chemicals generated if they are melted. Non-metallic minerals do not contain any metal substance in them. In the case of non-metallic minerals, you don't get any new product after such a process. Students, non-metallic minerals are divided into two types, minerals and mineral fuel. Examples of minerals are limestone, mica and salt. And examples of mineral fuels are petroleum and coal. Students, let's start reading non-metallic minerals from book which is on page number 84. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are important non-metallic minerals. Since we use them as fuels, they are also called fossil fuels. Students, this paragraph means the important non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum and natural gas. We use these non-metallic minerals as fuels and that is why they are called fossil fuel. And the meaning of fossil fuel is fuel formed by dead plants and animals millions of years ago. Let's proceed with the second paragraph. We use coal in factories to cook and generate electricity. The main coal mining areas in India are Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. The important coal mining centers in India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, Bokaro and Noweli. Students, coal has many important uses worldwide. It is used in factories, for cement manufacturing, for steel production, to cook food and to generate electricity. The main coal mining areas in India are Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. And the important coal mining centers in India are Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, Bokaro and Noweli. Students, let's start reading mineral oil or petroleum or we can say crude oil which is on page number 85. We get fuel such as petrol, diesel, kerosene and cooking gas from petroleum. This mineral oil is also known as crude oil. It is found deep inside the earth and under the sea floor. Wells are drilled deep inside the earth to pump out mineral oil. An area with many oil wells is called an oil field. So students, these lines mean that from petroleum we get petrol, diesel, kerosene and cooking gas. The other name of mineral oil is crude oil. And crude oil or mineral oil is found deep inside the earth and under the sea floor. See students, wells are drilled deep inside the earth for getting out mineral oil. And an area with many oil wells is called an oil field. The meaning of oil field is an area with many oil wells. Let's proceed with the fourth line now. The mineral oil drilled out from the well is separated into various products in petroleum refineries. In some oil wells, natural gas is also found along with crude oil. This natural gas is called CNG, that means compressed natural gas, and is used in vehicles, especially in buses and trucks. Students, these lines mean that after drilling out mineral oil from the well, it is separated into various products in petroleum refineries. Students, in some oil wells, natural gas is also found, and this natural gas is called CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. Students, CNG is used in vehicles, especially in buses and trucks. CNG is also used as a fuel for cars. CNG is safe and can easily be transported by pipeline to large distance. Let's move to the second paragraph. Assam, Gujarat and off the coast of Mumbai are the major areas where mineral oil is found in India. The major oil producing centers in India are Ankleshwar and Cambay in Gujarat, Digboi and Sibsagar in Assam, and Bombay High off the coast of Mumbai. A large deposit of petroleum has been found in the Krishna Godavari basin in the Bay of Bengal recently. Students, in India, mineral oil is found in Assam, Gujarat and off the coast of Mumbai. Students, the major oil producing centers in India are Ankleshwar and Cambay in Gujarat, Digboi and Sibsagar in Assam, and Bombay High off the coast of Mumbai. Students, a large deposit of petroleum is found in the Krishna Godavari basin in the Bay of Bengal, right? And basin means an area through which a river and its tributaries flow. Students, we know that Bay of Bengal is a water body which lies at the east side of India. Let's start reading third paragraph of mineral oil. In India, there are oil refineries at Digboi, Mathura, Haldia, Baruni, Mumbai, Kochi and Chennai. The available mineral reserves are limited. We should use them carefully. Students, in India, other than oil field, oil wells, oil refineries are also found. They are found at the places like Digboi, Mathura, Haldia, Baruni, Mumbai, Kochi and Chennai. Students, we know that there are limited mineral reserves available on the earth. So we should use them carefully so that it could be left or saved for the coming generations. Students, with this only we have completed this chapter, and in this chapter we have studied about minerals, its two types, examples of metallic minerals, examples of non-metallic minerals, and at last mineral oil or crude oil. Students, now your homework is to do fill in the blanks, which is on page number 86, and do exercise A, exercise C and D on book and exercise E on copy. Thank you.